Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Encountering error code 2ARVHA0000 can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's a common issue. This specific code typically signals that your device is experiencing trouble connecting to online services. Essentially, your system isn't able to establish or maintain a stable connection with the necessary servers to operate properly. The good news is that this problem is almost always something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. We're here to guide you through each one. Let's start with the quickest fixes. First, simply restart your device. This often resolves many temporary software hiccups that could be causing the issue. Next, double-check your internet connection to make sure your Wi-Fi is strong or your Ethernet cable is properly plugged in. Finally, perform a power cycle on your router and modem. Unplug both devices from their power source, wait a full 30 seconds, and then plug them back in. This refreshes your network connection. Now let's look at your network settings more closely. Ensure your device is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network and that the signal is strong or that your wired connection is stable. If you use a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily, as these can sometimes interfere with specific connections. For an advanced step, consider changing your device's DNS settings to a public server, such as Google's 8.8.8.8, which can sometimes improve connectivity. Sometimes, the error isn't about your physical connection, but about outdated software. It's crucial to check for and install any pending system updates for your device, as well as any updates for the specific game or application you're trying to use. Outdated network drivers can also lead to connectivity problems, so verify they are current for optimal performance. A fully updated system helps prevent many common errors, keeping everything running smoothly. If you've tried all the previous steps and the error code 2ARVHA0000 still appears, there are a few more avenues to explore. Consider trying to connect your device to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to determine if the issue is with your home network or the device itself. You can also visit your device's official support forums. Often, other users have encountered similar issues and found solutions. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for personalized help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.